Good morning, dear student. Today we will discuss some more important properties of integers. Today we will discuss some more important properties of integers. Properties are commutative properties, second, associative properties of integers. As we know that there are four basic operations of mathematics, that is addition, subtraction, division, multiplication. So based on these operations, some operations may follow commutative properties and some operation may not follow commutative properties. Addition and multiplication follow commutative properties, while subtraction and division not follow commutative properties. Similarly, addition and multiplication follows associative properties, while subtraction and division not follow associative property. Let us study in details. Commutative property. As I already told, there are four basic operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. According to commutative property, the addition of two numbers, according to commutative property, the addition of two numbers is always commutative. Means if A and B are two integers, then A plus B is equal to B plus A. Let us take an example. 3 plus 2 equal to 5. 2 plus 3 equal to 5. दोनों का राइट हैंड साइड क्या है? इक्वल. तो हम कह सकते हैं दोनों का लेफ्ट हैंड साइड भी क्या होगा? इक्वल. Thus we can say A plus B equal to B plus A. Means in commutative property, order of integers addition does not affect result. In commutative property, order of integers addition does not affect result. Note, in commutative property, the order of integers addition does not affect result. For multiplication, let us consider two integers a and b. A and b are two integers. Then the product of a into b is equal to b into a. This is commutative property for multiplication. This is commutative property for multiplication. The product of a into b, the product of a into b is equal to b into a, means if we change integers order, the result of product is same. The result of product is same. For example, 3 into 2 is equal to 6 and 2 into 3 is also 6. We can see clearly the RHS of these two sides are equal, same. LHS of these two equations are equal. So we can say 3 into 2 equal to 2 into 3. Sometimes question may ask, based on these two property, commutative property for addition and multiplication, in the form of fill in the blanks, in the form of objective questions. Let us consider some examples. Select which option is correct. First, a into b is equal to b into a plus b is equal to b plus a into a is equal to b into b. Fourth, none of these. Sometime earlier we have studied the product of two integers are independent of their order. So either you can multiply b to a or a to b, the result is same, means this option is correct. And we can also study the addition of two integers, a to b or b to a. A to b or b to a is also commutative, means this option is correct. So correct answer is first and second. Next question. Write true or false. Addition and multiplication of two integers is commutative. Subtraction and division of two integers is commutative. We have already studied addition and multiplication of two integers is always commutative. Means this statement is true. While subtraction and division of two integers is not commutative. Means this option is false. In next lectures, we will solve textbook problems.